how to find contacts on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on this profile icon right here and click on the three lines on the upper corner. Now, we just have to go to Account Center. And once we're here, we just have to scroll down and tap Your Information and Permission. Now, we just have to click on Upload Contacts and click on our Instagram account. Let's see right here. And as you can see, it will help us to connect to our contacts by helping us sync the contacts from this device to our Instagram account. So we just have to allow this to happen. Now, we just need to go back. Once we're back on our profile page, all we have to do is to tap on this button right here. If you tap on this button right here, you will be able to see people that you may know. Now, we just have to click on See All. You will be able to see the Instagram account of your Facebook friends or the people on your contact list. So that's how to find contacts on Instagram.